I'm like a magician. I've got nothing up my sleeves, honest. So on my desk, I have no proprietary hardware at all. I don't have a vision mixer or an audio mixer or anything. I just have a touch screen. And with the touch screen, what I can do is this is the mixer bus here. So if this is camera 1, this is camera 2. So you're now looking at a studio 40 kilometers away from me in Malmo. So I'm at home in my basement and I'm controlling a studio, extremely low latency from here. So for instance, I can change the video wall to be an aquarium like this, or I can actually bring up like a DVEs, and I can switch what's in the DVE boxes. So for instance, I can put you in a DVE box there, and then I can put me in a DVE box here, and then we can have a little bit of maybe some a mouse can come out and maybe some confetti. There we go. So you can see I'm controlling vision mixers, audio mixers, but also playout machines, and we're doing everything here over public internet. And then the private cloud servers are back at base, and that's allowing me to drive all of this in the way that you see.